Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a pools in WhatsApp. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just want to create a pool from WhatsApp so I can able to chat with the people and I can able to get the result. What I have to do here? How to do that? Let me show you. Yes, from my mobile, I just open WhatsApp and I have my class group over here. So I just want to call my teams for the team lunch or class for the team lunch. What I have to do here? So in your WhatsApp chat, there will be attachment over here. Just click the attachment. There will be a document, camera, gallery, audio, location, payment, and contact and pool is there. So this is a new option which is came for the WhatsApp. Just hit the button pool and you can ask the question. For example, class lunch or team lunch or any type of things you can give outing or anything you can give according to your need. So I just click here to class outing on Monday or Tuesday or Saturday. So you can add more values on Sunday also. I can give according to, so you can add the options over here, allow multiple answers. So if you want to allow the multiple answer, you can give the checkbox over here as you see here. So they can give up 2 or 4 options also they can give, otherwise they can give only one answer. So if you enable this option, just click send option, automatically this group will be getting the class outing will be there. So they can choose as a thing. So you can choose, because we have given the allow multiple option over here, so everyone given of options. So if you want to reject the things, you can reject the poll options according to your needs. So simple and easiest way you can create a vote using this poll options to create a vote without any other delay. So you can share with your friends and you can get the vote. According to the vote, you can create a idea, so you can get an analysis method about your thing. So whatever things you want, you can create a poll within a second without any other delay. Just click the links and you can create questions, you can create the answers options, and you can send to the group or individual persons according to the needs you can give. So you can share this poll also. Just click here to share the poll with the forward option. So using your screenshot or share the poll to view and get the result for the things. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.